Negus, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Ace Macy, the Divine One. Tonight, we are back in Ace's Temple. And we're back with another message. Hey, you know, man, we always hear messages, man. I'm your messenger tonight in this moment. Or if you're hearing this moment, man, this message is for you, you know. But this message is really just picking back up off with our last message from Lilith. Lilith back again in the building. Yes. Shout out Lilith. Yes, shout out. Praise be. But we have another message for her, or her expanding and continuing on with the last message, talking about studying and submitting to spirit, to nature. Studying and submitting to nature, which is spirit. All right. And what we're talking about is the nature of spirit, all right? And the gnosis behind what Lilith really does. What are we working with Lilith? What are we really doing? All right? What are we doing? So, with Lilith, understand her lore. Understand her mythology, okay? So Lilith didn't want to be controlled, okay? Lilith wanted to be equal. She's seen herself as equal to Adam, all right? You don't know, in the mythology and the lore, she was created first, and she was created with Adam, right? But Adam was not with the equality, John. He was like, nah. He was like, nah. And she was like, I'm on top, I can get on top. He was like, you not fucking finna get on top of me, fuck out of here. And I was like, gee, you're missing out on what an experience of a lifetime. And I'm speaking on this from experience with Lilith. Story time coming soon in the future. I took some shrooms and tapped in with Lilith, and let's just say an erotic novel happened. All right, an erotic novel path working happened. Some profound writing though, some profound writing and gnosis in that path working though. I definitely got to share that. Some hidden gems in there. But Lilith is all about the equality and the understanding that she was one with Adam too, right? She was not lesser. She can do exactly what a man can. So this is where you get the archetype of the independent woman, right? Or your feminist, right? That's in the Lilith sphere. But understand, Lilith doesn't hate men. She just doesn't submit to men. She doesn't want to be controlled by men. All right. So that's why it's understanding the respect for the goddess and letting her do her, letting her be herself, let her be let her be her free and full self, okay? Because that Adam psychology, that Adam restriction, that patriarchy is what restricts the woman, what restricts Lilith, and keeps her out of her God self, out of her deific self. All right, her true self, her primal self. So we see that today with the unleashing of all this we call it Kali energy. All right, this kind of Kali energy where in the black community, I can't even say black community, but more so the hip hop community, not degradation, but sexualization of the woman, right? But what they're talking about is free expression. What's really going on from a spiritual level is freedom of expression, and sexual expression at that. All right, so that's some Lilith energy going on right there. But Lilith is what Lilith was saying with the message earlier, right? In the earlier video, study and submit to nature and spirit. What are you studying when you're studying all these deities, all these gods, all these spirits, all these demons, angels? You are studying yourself, aspects of yourself. But understanding, studying spirits, you're studying the subconscious. In studying that, you're studying the feminine nature of life. Okay, you're literally studying the divine feminine, aspects of the divine feminine. All right, as well, when you get to all these so many great and powerful, primal, legendary, dark goddesses, as well as light goddesses as well. There's a lot of goddesses. All right, there's a lot of gods, but there's so much to learn from them as well. So much they can do, so much they can show you, so much they can unlock, and help you tap in within yourself, with these spirits. So Lilith. Study the nature of the goddess, of the divine feminine. Tantra, Vedic Tantra, research. The tantric arts, the tantric yogas. Understand the union between the masculine and the feminine, become the one, the union. Understand the archetypes of the mind, the energies at play, as well the psychology of both the male and female species, the game that is played in this modern world. Robert Greene, Art of Seduction. Dandies, Casanovas, sirens, rakes, all these archetypes, all these perspectives, approaches to the game, to life. Understand yours as well as how to see others. Understand at the root of this feminine and masculine energies, men are from Mars, women are from Venus. Men act and go get. Women receive and nurture. They take care. So, both of them have their roles, their natural roles, which may shift at any time. Because in these bodies, in these vessels, we have both masculine and feminine. And the spirit within is androgynous. But one must know which archetype, what god, what goddess, who they are at any given moment, what energy they are in at any given moment, male or female, active or receptive, which to be or when they are it. And how to use it to their best ability, for their benefit. As well as understanding themselves on a deeper level with the anima and the animus. Shout out Carl Jung. Shout out to Carl Jung. But yeah, shout out Lilith, man. She definitely just came through and channeled right there. That was definitely a little possession right there, but it's your boy Ace Macy, the Divine One. I'm your messenger, your medium in this moment, right now in this space. If y'all want to tap in with me for future messages for Lilith, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Follow me, Ace Maceo, aces.temple, TikTok, Instagram. But make sure y'all subscribe, turn on the notifications, hit the bell, so I don't miss any videos, any live streams. If you miss a live stream, especially when I'm not doing tarot, we're dropping a lot of occult sauce, a lot of occult gems, path workings, sauce, experiences, workshops, book studies. If you miss them, catch them on the Patreon. As well with my channel sigils, path working, spells, and all formulas. You catch those on the Patreon as well. Shout out Ace Maceo. The music, the divine music, the healing music, solfeggio music, healing frequencies. Ace Maceo all platforms. Ace Maceo YouTube. And for the gnosis, for the occult gnosis, you know, Ace's Temple, you know where that. Make sure y'all tap in, subscribe to the email list so y'all can get into the Discord. Free PDFs, free resources, creative resources, spiritual resources, financial resources as well. You just gotta, with anything, put in the time, sit down, read. Simply. But with that, thanks for listening. Thanks for heeding the message from Lilith this evening. In this moment, in this space. And until the next message, until the next time, remember you are the one Neo. You are the all. You are everything. You are a star. See.